visitors who are with us this afternoon. We have our guest speaker this afternoon, Ma'am Mueblas, and we have also our PSDS, Ma'am Yalon. Thank you very much for coming here and gracing this occasion. My co-pilot in Kulawin Learning Institution, Mrs. Nelson Villegas, and also Ma'am Rachel Camerino, who is with us also. Membro ni sa among team, sa itong team na to, sa closing, Team D. Okay. Sa mga ginikanan nga naa din sa mga kabataan nga may graduate din both grade 6 and grade 12. Nakita na ko nga malipayon kayo mo tungod kay nahuman na mo sa upat ka tuig nga pagpaningkamot sa pagpangupyaaw ka ng pagpaningkamot sa pagtuon, pagtuon sa buhat soban, o ba? Kana bitaw, I believe nga with all your efforts exerted, you deserve your graduation today. Pakpakan na to atong pagawin mo. Kanya, do not forget to say thank you to your parents. Ladies and gentlemen, our school is continuously looking forward and provide some support to make your student learn easy in our school. For now, we have accomplished your request before, because several parents came to our office and told us that said, well, if possible, that all the tracks and strand in the senior high school would be offered here in Hilario PWD Senior. So I fulfill my promise to you. We have the complete track and strand in senior high school. The grade 10, as they will no longer go to other school because we have here. We are just like a convenience store. We are very small but has it all. Para sa mga ginikanan nga nadini nga dunay umaabot nga grade 10, grade 11, we have the STEM, we have the EBM here, we have the UMS, and we have additional offerings in ICT and TBL. In TBL, we have the SMAU recognized already. We have the crop production, agriculture this year in line with TBL or TLA, technical livelihood. We have horticulture in C3. We opened that here. In addition to that, sa mga babae na gusto mag-nahi ang sinina, we have dressmaking and tailoring. In fact, we are purchasing now a worth of 200,000 for your sewing machine. So that will be our provision for you to support your skills in our school. In fact, this year, we developed our school-wide Wi-Fi connection. Wherever you go in our school, you can access your Wi-Fi, our Wi-Fi. Just ask our ICT coordinator for a password and a voucher. That will be used during this school year 2024 and 2025. Purposely, we have that infrastructure because I don't want to see students lining up in piso Wi-Fi just to access for their research. That Wi-Fi for your research for the incoming grade 11 and 12. So that is our support of learning for the senior high school and in junior high school. So you don't need to waste your piso in Wi-Fi area, piso Wi-Fi. Just ask the access so that you can start your research work even under the mango tree. You have your signal. That is our support for learning for you. And then, we have also support for the graduates who wish to study abroad. We have sent 11 students now in Taiwan they are the international scholar coming from Hilario Pinabili Senior National High School. And they are doing well in that particular place, and they brought with them the value that they learned in our school. So, wherever they have the presentation, number 1 sila nga ito. Sikat sila. Kaya ilang inaga ni usa dito, nagkagrado siya 100. Kamo na may grado 100. Wala siya dito na Why? Because ang ilang pag-adto, they mean business. So, nagtap atong mga kaigsuonan dito. In fact, this year, we are planning to send another scholars to Taiwan, those who can qualify with the interview and the requirements. And our LGU promised us to support you when you are there. This morning, nag-istorya din, no? So for those parents who are supporting their children, thank you very much. Then, announcement that on June 25 to 28, we have the visitors coming from Taiwan. They will be here in Kulawin just to immerse themselves to the culture of Kulawin people. So by 25 to 28 of June, makita nato ni sila kaniya sa atong eskwelahan sa Hilario Pinabili Senior National High School. So, we have also, kanina, kung matigdan ninyo, si Attorney Villegas, na ito ihatag na sobre ninyo, no? Sa mga graduates. Okay? That is the donations coming from Rise Up Philippines na inupanan ni Sir Marco is in mid of the Rise Up Philippines. Nag-amot man ta sa atong graduation, ang inyong amot gitagaan mo uli sa inyong amot kagamay or magagamay na lang. You can use your money na gihatag ni Atty. Villegas of sa Rise Up Philippines for your expenses after this graduation. May nakapalit mo ice cream, no? So, thank you very much for Atty. Atan Villegas. Atong papakan, bisag walang siya diri. Kaya niyahan yatag nahabilit na. Okay. So, dili lang tayo ng puntas on. Ang amon lagi kapasalig ni Ma'am Nelsie, ni Ma'am Imelda, inubanan namin ni Ma'am Imelda, nga atong eskwelahan sa Kulawin Elementary and Hilario Pinabili Senior National High School, ang among kapasalig nga, ang among gibuhat dinhi tanan para sa inyong mga kabataan. O no naman mi wala mabuhat nga ngayon nga buhaton sultihin ni kay magtinabangay ta aron maangkon nato ang kalampusan nga wala sa uban dinhira sa Kulawin nato makit-an. So daghang salamat ug may hapon nato ang tanan.
Thank you very much, Mr. Pinyol. And now, my dear graduates, the final time has arrived. The end of our graduation rites. It is hard to say goodbye this way, but I believe you have already acquired the necessary skills for the next step of your wonderful journey. Please listen because this message is for all of you. Never stop chasing your dreams and never afraid with the challenges that awaits you. You are not alone in your journey, and that the connections you have made with others can be instrumental in shaping your lives. Never fade away. Bloom where God has planted you. Speak to the idea of leaving a lasting impact and making a meaningful contribution to the world. May you all look back to this very stage with all meaningful memories that your alma mater, the Kulawin Elementary School and Hilario Pinabili Senior National High School have imparted on you. My dear graduates, wherever you go and wherever your life will bring, always remember that your alma mater will always be proud of your achievements, and she is like a mother waiting for your homecoming. Our warmest embrace to our parents, teachers, and to all those who made this event a success. To God be the glory. This has been your Master of the Ceremony, Darrell P. Davide, now signing off. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all stand for the exit of colors.
Wala makabili.
Pinuno! Po! Aplot watawat! Na! Harap sa labas! Harap! Pasulog! Cut! Cut!
Okay, before our reception, we request everyone to please be seated
Cut.
because we have prepared